Hello, my name's Jasmine. Welcome back to the train lane. Today, me and my little brother is going to be doing
Mallard.
Mallard and that one. The steam train, the fastest train, and it's called the steam train. It's called Charlie.
Okay.
And so please subscribe. Today they just filled up with water.
Why do they need water?
Because they got a long trip ahead of them. Because they're going on a train to see their holiday house. They are. And they take some friends with them. The people with the cows. There's the holiday house. That's their holiday house, and that's their friends. And they invited them to come. Because otherwise they won't have a friend around. The little girl, she won't have a friend around. And her friend wouldn't be okay. So I'm going to tell you. What does this one say?
Reduce speed.
Reduce speed? Okay. What does this one say?
30 miles per hour max on curve.
Yeah, because that's actually good to go around that much.
You gonna start James off? Or
Okay,
Charlie?
now I'm going to start off my little brothers. Good boy. You get me. I'm in the house. I'm in the house. I'm in the attic. I'm in the attic. I'm in the attic. I'm in the attic. In the attic. They're gonna get some berries from the tree. They're gonna get some berries from the tree. Good. In. Now they're in. Okay. Now they got their food. Now they can get going again. Ready, steady, go, trainee. La 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 la. Jazz pretended this. Whoa! Oh dear, no! Look, Jazz. It's pulled onto this one, Jazz. Pretend it's pulled onto this one. Okay, look at this truck. This truck I just got to put together. Look, if we stop our train when it comes around again, and then it can cross where it needs to go. Thank you for riding me to my place. I will have great fun up here. And then he decided to take the next train. This train? Yeah, my train. No, pretend that this one was another train. My one. Au revoir! Au revoir! Slow down! Look, but it's on it. It's got to go. That's your purpose. Because see? Because my 30 is up to the red dot. James's 30 is very low. No, if it goes any faster, it will just fall off. This is another waiting spot.
Another station.
Yeah.
Is it going to stop at that station?
Yeah. We're just gonna wait until it comes around. Mine's landed up here. Dad, you're in the way.
James, there's another one right there. Stop at that one.
Oh,
On
yeah,
your
that
side of the
one's
track.
mine.
Bit more.
Okay, so now we're at some. They're just buying some magazines and things, and some more food because they need it. Mine's and especially for them. Everything he is buying everything what there is. His hasn't got mum or dad. The kid has not in the train.
Oh dear.
No, he doesn't have one. I think he lost them years ago. And they died. They died.
Oh dear. That's sad.
Yeah. So I think he's gonna come around again and get some more water. There's just one way. He needs to find a crystal with a magic wand, so he can magic one. See, it isn't going very fast because it needs some water.
Put it in the funnel. Okay.
Mine does. That's where he has it.
Okay.
Because I can't see anywhere else, and anyway, they need some water and some coal. And anyway, there's a lot of stops for water because water's very good for engines. Why there's water? Because sometimes if they go too fast, then it runs out very quick. And then you have to go to the next one around. But if there isn't one around it,
Oh dear.
they just go very slow and have to make it to the next one. But they don't go that fast, so they don't go the second time around or the third time. They might, after the fourth go around, they need some more water. Okay, Dad. And now take the water out. There needed to be a truck on it.
Try yours a bit further then and I'll put it on.
But I wanted the red one. I like the red one. But Jazz just don't need the red one. Jazz, turn it on. It's going to zoom
Not
out
too fast,
off of
James,
the
because
ramp.
yeah, not too fast, otherwise you'll lose it. Go on then.
That's been, I think mine's went 2 times around. Mine has. So, another 2, and then it might need some more water. But it's really long. It is.
We haven't stopped at the station since filling with water. Surely someone wants to get off.
No.
Yeah.
It's really far away. I'll just give it 5 around, and then they need some water.
Alright, and we're going to finish off. What do you say?
Okay. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please ask more for the train lane. Then